Welcome to Cordoba Appliance AC and Heating, your trusted home appliance and HVAC service provider, proudly serving the heart of Hesperia, California. With over 12 years of hands-on industry experience, we are committed to delivering top-quality service and ensuring your comfort and satisfaction. Our professional services include refrigeration system installation, HVAC installation and repair, heating system repair, dishwasher services, dryer repair. Whether you're looking to install a new system or need a quick, reliable repair, our expert team is here to help. Ready to get started? Give us a call at 909-678-2710 or 951-586-2665. You can also visit us online at CordobaApplianceAC.com to explore our full range of services. Thank you for choosing Cordoba Appliance AC and Heating, where your comfort comes first. We look forward to serving you.